Dating pala natin doon na alas 10.
Ay, ang aga, uy.
Hindi, siyempre ayaw pa tayo hihinta pa talaga. 4 hours travel tayo, 4 hours.
Alas 2 pa ako.
Grabe.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Huh?
Sir.
Oh, say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh,
Hi.
tingnan natin yung
What's your bike?
Wala man.
tire pressure. 2025. Okay. Ready, guys? Ready. Long ride. Ingatan mo yun, hindi matapon natin.
Dad, Mommy, my watch accidentally fall.
Okay lang kayo dyan sa likod?
Yes.
Ha?
Say hi to the view, baby. Hi. We're Bubble Puppy.
Ano pala yung portable water storage tank? Gas. Hi, say hi.
3 hours pa lang. Ay, 3 hours pa lang natira. Kaalis lang. Nagugutom na sila.
Apas.
Kaalis lang sa Riyadh, gutom na. Kaalis pa lang, gutom na.
Kaming camel.
Medyo mo kami.
Wala na, nakalagpas ng camel.
Nakakalagpas na ba?
Hi guys. Guys. What are you doing, guys? We're going to Kubar, guys. We have a short vacation.
Kasi hindi pinayagan sa Pinas, dito na lang.
Kasi hindi pinayagan si Daddy sa vacation sa Philippines. Kaya dito na lang sa Alcobar.
What if they won't be friends? And they'll be bored. I don't have to go friends.
Steakhouse.
Hi, yay!
Plastic yata sumama.
House, steak, house, steak.
Magpa-steakhouse si Daddy.
Yay! Me, I agree.
I agree. Gusto niyang beef.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the Corniche.
Mommy, where's our hotel?
Lang park, oh.
But there's a sand. We can dig. Finally, we arrive at hotel! Finally!
Ayan na, sentro. Oh, ayan na, that one na.
Saan?
Ayan na, sentro.
Is that our hotel?
Hirap na
Oo.
parking.
Yay, there's a swimming pool. We can swim. Mommy, but first we will warm up at
Kaso
the
kailangan natin ng parking. Saan kaya ang parking dito?